Hi everyone, today I'm going to tell how to use this Logitech keyboard and how and I'm going to review about it. So first you can see this is back of the keyboard. There are 3 batteries inside here. You need to put them and then close this. This part of it is very easy. You don't need to worry about using pishkas. And this is the on and off switch to connect with the iPad. And you can see this is the keyboard. It also has this which tells how many items you need to connect with.
Yeah, so first one is for Apple, and second one is first one is for all Mac devices, second one is for all Android devices, and third one is to connect to Windows. So we need to connect to, let's say, iPad. So I select one. Now I'll use my iPad.
Yeah, so my iPad, first I'm gonna open it.
And then go to Bluetooth. Then on the
So
Bluetooth,
in Bluetooth, we can see it is already connected.
it's known as it's known as keyboard K480. So it's already connected.
Yes.
And ensure that your Bluetooth is turned on. Now, so it also has a case over here wherein
Yeah.
you can just put your iPad over here, or you can just keep your iPad pencil. Let's say I just
So
keep my device over here.
now let's test it.
So let's say now you want to type anything. And it types really smoothly. You won't face
Yeah.
any challenges.
But there's one
See,
thing.
it works really fast. You have all the tabs, caps lock, tab, and everything. So all the functional keys are also here. See, everything is usable. So, but the only drawback is that you don't have a mouse. So that is the
Yeah,
only
so you
drawback.
need to just click on anything where you can type and then type.
Yep. So every time you'll have to use your hand.
Yes.
Yeah. Other than that, it works really smooth.
So this is the end of our video. So bye.